I got this 5-ton log splitter for 50 euros. It was half working and it has still one problem, but it had two problems. The first one, the cable was torn out. I fixed that. That's completely fine now. The second problem is that one spring completely detached from housing of the log splitter. It can work. This spring is to retract to get back the hydraulics on the original position. It can work now. The metal was completely bent here. I managed to fix that, but there is still one problem to be solved. This is the second spring, and this is the part which was welded. The weld broke, and the spring was completely non-functional. My friend will weld this part for me now, and after that we're gonna test this log splitter. It is a 5-ton model. It is quite robust, and for 50 euros it will be a really good deal when it is completely functional. This is the spot where this should go. I didn't have opportunity to record the welding process because I needed to help and I didn't have my equipment with me. Before I do any work today, I'm gonna change the hydraulics oil. So that is quite a mandatory because I don't know when it is changed, and the oil looks quite dirty. As you can see, it is completely black. The oil looks catastrophically dirty. Gonna change it. I never seen hydraulics oil this dirty. Important to do is to clean everything up. You don't want debris to get inside of the engine and hydraulics, so that is quite important. I use a degreaser to do a cleaning. The manuals say that the oil needs to be between these two lines on the bottom and the top. I got a new oil and we are ready to pour it in. Check occasionally. The manuals say that it accepts around 2.4 liters. I think that I managed to get out everything, so I guess that around 2.5 liters is enough, or a bit less, but I will check regularly to see oil level. It goes super slow inside, so take your time. Okay, I managed to add too much oil. It seems that I didn't empty it completely. I did put around nearly 2 liters, and it is completely full, so I need to take out some oil and try to make a good measurement. It is pouring out. I'm making a double job for myself. Catastrophic. Okay, final check. You want to screw the measuring screw completely to the bottom, then unscrew it and check the oil level. And I'm not sure if you can see, but it is on maximum. Looks fine to me, so we can start up this beauty. Doing a final test now with new oil. works perfectly.
It is time to assemble the stand, so let's do it and do some splitting with this. The log splitter comes with its own stand, and there was some rust on the legs. I fixed that with anti-rust and anti-corrosive paint. At this point, when the paint dries, we can mount the log splitter on its own mount and test it out. The paint dried, but what I want is to stick this rubber to protect the paint when the log splitter is on it, because from the first place, because there is no protection, over time the paint peels off and the corrosion starts, and to prevent that I will just use this pad with adhesive, and hopefully it will stay on. It looks perfect. It will do the job. Let it cure. It needs 24 hours to completely cure out adhesive on this pad. Already looks better. Really nice. And this is why I did put that rubber at the bottom. It will help to protect this anti-corrosive paint to get removed and start corrosion on the metal again. So I recommend you to always do that if you have metal parts constantly in contact with the ground. It helps a lot. Let's try out. With your log splitter, always unscrew the screw 5 times so the air can escape. I usually do a little bit more. And you see the air is escaping here. So I want to set up for log splitter to go back here. And okay, we are ready. Beautiful. It works beautiful. It was 100% worth repairing it. Okay, this is beefy one. So that was it. I hope you enjoyed watching, and Until next time, see ya.